Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save routes in Google Maps, be it in the Google Maps mobile application or on the Google web browser. So let's get started right away, guys. Now, shall we? So what you want to do first is create a route from location A to location B, just for demonstration purposes. And let me create a route from that location here. So first, left click on the location A or the starting point with your left mouse. And after that, click on that button here, directions, and select location B or the endpoint of your route. For example, that location here. Next, specify your route by selecting, for example, if you'd like to go on foot or on bicycle or by car or by public transport, just like that. And last but not least, guys, there are two different ways how you can save your route. For example, you can send your route or directions directly to your phone by clicking on that button here and by selecting your phone. Or alternatively, guys, if you'd like to save your route on your computer or on any other device, simply click on copy link here and save that link associated with that specific route, for instance, in a Word document or PDF file or anywhere you like, so that you may access it later, paste it into a web browser, and that way get redirected to that route here on the given device. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.